everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do a review on this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution London. It comes with 18 different colors. As you can see, I'm not using them all. I'm using some more and some less. Some of them are really like shiny, like this one or this one. You can use them if you want to go to a party or to a club or something. And some of them are more neutral and nude, like this one or this one. And yeah, they're all vegan and they was never tested on any animals. That is very important to this company. They are very strong, and they're not, when you apply them, they're not really light, so they are really you really see them when you have them on your eye. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to use two different colors, one lighter one and one stronger one, and you're going to see what I mean when I said this. I really love this makeup palette, and yeah, I would recommend you buying it. But at first I'm going to show you how it looks on my eyes. Okay, so I applied two different colors on my eyes, and I'm not really a makeup expert, so it's probably going to look better on you. So this is the first color I used. It's kind of glittery. It has like a little glitter inside. And then I used this other one. This is more like pink, light pink, and it's very light. So I got a very light skin, so of course it will look different if your skin tone is darker than mine and you maybe got brown hair and brown eyebrows. So you don't really even see that, but you see a little bit of something. So I use this one for the pink eye and this one for the other eye. And it doesn't come with a brush, so I had to use my own brush for this. Yeah. So like I said, this is very glittery. You saw it in my eye, the Bliss. And also this one that says Empathy, or this one is probably pretty strong. I never used that one. Yeah, I think is a color for everyone in there. Everyone has a different taste. More likes it. Some like it darker, some like it lighter. So I like it, and I'm using a lot of different colors on this eyeshadow palette. So I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next review.